Hello and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. My name is Lynn, or LV Handcrafted here on YouTube, and today I am going to make a full front shaker card. And with these pre-made, pre-scored, and cut with adhesive and everything, these full front shaker pockets make it's so easy to create these cards. So I'm starting off here with a panel that is cut to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I've used the a Cozy Christmas Slimline paper pad, which I love because it's cut to 4-inch wide. So even if you don't make a ton of slimline cards, you can get 2 mats for your A2 size cards. So I love that. And I've just gone ahead and applied that pattern paper to a USA 2 size panel. This isn't my card base yet. It's just a panel. And I am going to fold over and attach our pocket here to 3 sides of the panel, and it already has the glue tabs for you. There's already adhesive. All you have to do is just peel and stick. This acetate is pretty thick though, so I would definitely recommend if you need to reinforce those score lines on your scoreboard, you could definitely do that, and then give it a really good burnish as well. Not only to make sure that the adhesive makes really good contact with your panel, but also to really firm up that fold. And I use this gorgeous snowflake border backdrop die, and what I did was I took a rectangle wonky stitch edge die to just cut out an aperture from the middle there, and that way I have a really lovely frame, plus I have that smaller rectangle that already has all of that lovely stitch detailing, and I can use that on a different card. Now, to finish up your shaker here, all you need to do is just pour in your shaker bits. Now, I was auditioning a couple of different shaker fills here, so I just want to get something that's sparkly and shiny, but I still wanted it to be a little bit monochromatic with the background. So I've chosen some of the new glitter sequins, and as well some of the solid confetti, which I really, really love. Both are pretty flat, but with this full front shaker pocket, it's really, really nice, and it's nice and gives you a lot of room, you know, for your shaker bits to move about. So I love it for that. And plus, you can also be a little bit generous with your fill if you want, because the whole front is your shaker. So it is kind of nice to have a nice generous fill in there. And then all you need to do is just glue your panel right to your card front. So it's as easy as that, and boom, we've got our shaker card. Now all I'm gonna do is just add some decorative details right on top. One thing to note is that when you get your shaker pockets, you do want to remove the protective film that is on the opposite side of the glue strips, because it comes packaged that way so that it prevents any scratching on your shaker pockets before you go to use it. So that's going to keep it really nice and pristine for you, but you definitely want to remove that before you actually go to use your shaker pockets. I've also brought out the Noel with shadow. Love this. And it's the same font as the Joy with Shadow die set. And I love the font, but as well, I love that we're getting individual letters. It does take extra time to position them and glue them onto that shadow layer. But I don't mind that because having the individual letters means that I have a little bit more flexibility with how to use these letters. So for example, if I wanted the word to run top to bottom, I could do that. If I wanted to combine the letters and spell out a different name or word, I could do that. So like with the word joy, between the word joy and Noel, you could spell out jolly. You could spell out Joe. You could spell out, I don't know, like, you know, you could probably think of a lot of different words, to mix and match between just those two short words. And so it's nice. I hope they bring out more words in the same font. That way it just increases with every word that they release. It increases the versatility of the previously released words. I also have the reindeer duo. I love this die set. I've used it once before already, and I'm doing something similar where I've used 2 shades of glitter cardstock, one in gold and one that is actually a specialty card, not a glitter card, but just to create that nice silhouette. I hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did, here are some other videos you might enjoy, and we hope that you subscribe to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.